how to fix Spotify Premium not working. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply log out of your Spotify and then log right back in, right? So for that, what are we going to do is simply get into our Spotify, then tap on the profile icon that you'll be able to see in the top left corner. After doing that, tap on settings and privacy. Then from here, you'll be able to see the logout button on the bottom of the settings. Simply tap on it. Then from here, tap on log out one more time. And just like that, we have now successfully been logged out of our account, right? Now, what you can do is simply tap on add account one more time. Then you can tap on login and then add in your email address. Tap on continue, add in password, or you can continue without password. And then from there, you'll be able to log into your account. And I'm pretty sure your Spotify Premium will start working. So if it's still not working, then what you should be doing next is check your credit card or bank statement to ensure your monthly subscription payment went through successfully. Sometimes if these kind of thing happens, then obviously the Spotify Premium won't be working because you won't be paying for it, right? So after doing that, let's just say if you belong to a family or a dual plan, then what you can do is simply contact the primary account manager to ensure that you haven't been accidentally removed from the plan or something like that. You know, you can recheck it, simply try to contact them and see it. So lastly, if you have upgraded via your Apple App Store or Google Play, what you can do is go through the phone subscription settings, locate Spotify, and then tap on restore purchase. So what are we going to do is let's just get into our App Store, right? If you are using your App Store payment, then what you can do is get into App Store, then tap on your profile icon right here. From here, if you simply tap on apps and purchase history, here simply tap on your app, you will be able to see all of the app, right? So in here, simply search for Spotify. Then from here, what you can do, here you can see Spotify, simply tap on it, and then from there you can actually simply restore your purchase if required. So yeah, that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below. And that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching.